Right, welcome. This is a video series on how to make money on this freelance marketplace called Legiit. And you get to learn it from me, someone who's actually done it before. I've sold around 500K in services on Legiit, so I know exactly how to do it and how you can do it as well. And in this video series, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money with this platform. There's just one thing, and I want to be fully transparent with you. I have been banned from this platform because I created my own marketplace. It's called Vetted with 3 T's, and we take 0% in fees. We focus on a more higher end or premium type of freelancer. So if you are a more seasoned and experienced freelancer, make sure to join on this link right here. I'd love to have you on. But if you're just starting freelancing, sites like Fiverr and Legiit work fine. Again, Vetted is more for a premium type of freelancer, both freelancer and client. The services are more high-end and the platform as a whole is more premium and bespoke. And just to end this intro, anything you learn with this video can be applied on Vetted or any other marketplace. So my goal with this is that you watch the videos and then actually go implement what you learned, ideally on Vetted, or you can do it on any other marketplace. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy. In this video, I want to go over how to get more reviews, and it's simple why you want more reviews, because these marketplaces in Legiit rank people and their services mostly based on reviews. So if you have more reviews, you'll be ranked higher and you'll get more orders. So that's the main reason why you want more reviews, because you want to get more orders. So one of the things you can do is to price yourself lower than most people. And this is what a ton of people do, and we've talked about this, the race to the bottom, people competing in prices and consistently undercutting each other. But we've talked about this in a previous video. It can be a good strategy to gain reviews, of course, at the start, because marketplaces are competitive and often benefit sellers with good reviews already. So standing out can be hard. Of course, if you are starting out on Legiit right now, it will be harder for you to stand out and gain reputation amongst sellers with hundreds or thousands of reviews. What are the disadvantages, though, of pricing yourself lower than most? It's having a lower perceived value, which we've talked a bunch about perceived value, and you now understand, hopefully, that having a lower perceived value is bad. Then it will attract lower-end clients looking for cheap services, and these clients mean problems. I can speak for experience, and I'm sure if you talk to any other person that's somewhat successful on Legiit, they will tell you that cheaper clients usually bring in more problems. So it's best to have 2 great clients than 10 not so good ones. Then it doesn't necessarily mean more orders, because again, people view you as cheap, and cheap means bad. And this is again tied in with the perceived value. But there are other things you can do other than just pricing yourself lower than most. Legiit offers several ways for you to stand out if you're just starting out selling on their marketplace. And we'll go over each one of them. So the first ones are review additions, and let me go over those right now. So review additions are basically, if we go here to browse and to review additions, this is basically where you can offer your service at a super discount. As you can see, 10 to 2, 50 to 25, so 50% off, 65 to 10. You can offer your service either free or at a hefty discount. And people that buy, so buyers that come here and buy your services are somewhat obligated to leave a review after. So any service you put on here on the review additions tab and you get a sale on, you're guaranteed to have a review left on your service. So this is a great one to almost for certain have a review on one of your services. So this is the first one. Then we have the Legiit Mondays, and I want to have a video just on this, on how to stand out. But basically, Legiit Mondays are where you can go on the Legiit Facebook group and post your services and what you're offering. I think you can post, if I'm not mistaken, up to 7 services, but we'll go over that in a video on its own. Then you have the weekly Roundup, which is a post on, again, the Facebook group, the Legiit's Facebook group, where you can comment your services. Then Legiit's team will go through the comments and email blast certain services to all the customers. So basically, you make a comment on the weekly Roundup post, the Legiit team will pick some of the services, and at the end of the week send out an email to all of the Legiit's customer base with some of the services that were featured in the weekly Roundup. This is really powerful. And the trick here, which is not a trick, it's something that's simple, is to offer a crazy discount on a high value service. And again, we'll have a video solely on Weekly Roundup and another video solely on Legiit Mondays, or I might combine these two into one, but we'll have a video just featuring these two. And if you go to this link, or if you go to, if you write Legiit support on Google, and search how to get more sales, you'll go to this article right here, and this is a guide that talks about all of these ones and some others in full detail. So basically this is a guide on how to get more sales and reviews on Legiit. They talk about here, for example, the Legiit Mondays. As you can see here, what are Legiit Mondays? You can click it and learn a bit more about what they are. So they have a video on it even, so you can learn a bit more about it. But basically this is a full guide on how to get more orders, so more reviews as well on Legiit. And that's what I wanted to cover here. It's somewhat straightforward, but some people, and I do understand it, have some issues and some trouble starting out on Legiit. But just after this video and after going to this full guide right here, if you read all this through and pay attention to it, you can get a bunch of more orders and much more reviews. It's really, really simple. Yeah, right now I'm going to record the Legiit Monday and weekly Roundup videos just to give you a somewhat tactics on how to actually succeed. Because if you're in this course, I assume you're already doing these two, but I want to teach you how to do them in a better way. So in a way that will get you more exposure and more orders. So that said, again, if you have any questions, make sure to join the Facebook group for this course. It's facebook.com/groups/marketplace freelancer, and I will see you on the next one.